Alright everybody, this is Chuck from B4. This is a review of price action today on Thursday, July 20th, and we're going to go over the ES. So right off the bat, we've noticed that the market has been very, very bullish at the beginning. I was bearish bias for today for the overall price action from my Ichimoku analysis on the daily charts, but didn't hesitate getting in right off the bat this morning. We had a contrarian signal fire right there, gets us in. We got wave 1, have an edge signal right there, wave 2, edge signal right there, wave 3, and right there you'll see at our bull bear line that notice how we had that cyan colored candle right there. That's typically a trap, especially if it's at one of our major levels. And of course that reversed there. Right here is a confirmed entry on the B4. There is a wave 1, wave 2, and wave 3. Typically you'll see price in its trends go in three waves. So you've seen that here, you see that here. As we came down here, we had another confirmed signal, and as you're in a trade, you move your stop loss behind the stacked imbalances for your stops. We get here right at the end, and we see the the magenta candle right there. We're at 3 waves, and this one started reversing. If you did pull your stops down, you were able to get out of that trade. So here it goes, wave 1, wave 2, and wave 3. Right there, stopping back at our mean. Also, that is right at our squeeze. Now, one thing I want to point out is not only do I have the B4 CoPilot on this screen, I have some Ichimoku elements, the cloud and the Kijinsen, and also have our B4 squeeze, which will be these gray, red, and green zones that you see here. Now, one thing to keep in mind too is while you're analyzing price action with our system, I like to use the cumulative delta volume bars. They're really instrumental in helping me understand price analysis. Typically a hard push is a 9-candle progression. A average push is a 5-candle progression, and a typical pullback is around a 3-candle progression. Now I'm using the term candle because I'm so used to counting candles. It's actually a 3-candle bar progressions. Forgive me, I'm so used to counting candles, using candles in that way. But anyway, so we're going through here, and no matter how you got in that, you should have been able to pull down your stops here. We come back up here. Basically, here you have a huge squeeze, and as we're breaking out of that squeeze, boom, you get a confirmed signal to the short side. Now, traditionally, we will guard with our stop losses behind the squeeze initially. Here, I didn't guard as big. I kind of guarded here. Just didn't want to give it that much risk. But anyway, this worked out here. Was able to do well here. Then we get down to another breakout of a squeeze. Here's another squeeze going on. Another squeeze. So here's another entry right here. Nice entry there. Looking at the wave count, yeah, 1, 2, and guess what? Yes, you guessed it, 3. There we are. We come back with the pullback. Typically, what I typically do also is I use the Kijinsen for my ultimate stop loss. You can see the Kijinsen worked very well on all of these positions. Depends on how you wanted to execute that, manage that. And of course, we get towards the end of the session. and I wasn't trading by this time, but you see there's a little indecision here. Basically, at the end of the day, you probably wouldn't be getting involved in anything in that regard anyways. So there we go. That's basically the day in review. Hope you guys had a good time trading today. We trade live every morning, and with our members, I had one small loss this week. It was yesterday. I had a quarter point loss, but every other trade that I've taken with the system has been spot on this week. So anyway, guys, thank you so much for your time. We appreciate you very much.